Hello guys and welcome back to another trade video. Today I'm not going to review simply a specific ticker or a specific trade. I'm basically going to summarize 1.5 months of trading. Um, and simply, first off, I have only been trading long setups. I've been trying out daily dip buys such as first green days, morning panics, breakouts, and I think that's, and of course like spikes and news catalyst plays, the simple hype plays. And what I have come to a conclusion is simply that better at breakout plays and of course ideal breakouts. If we look at only the breakouts, uh, I have bad breakouts, breakout anticipation, breakout, bad breakouts. So bad breakouts are necessarily breakouts that doesn't have enough of important resistance or have resistance above the quote-unquote breakout level. Breakout anticipation is exactly what it sounds like. I play the chart in anticipation of a breakout. So as you can see, the breakout plays, which is like the ideal plays, I'm winning simply almost 90% of the time. Yeah, so I'm winning. My winnings percentage is very high. So that's simply the best strategy. If we look at overall, my biggest gains isn't from the breakouts, and I think that's also due to the fact that I haven't been so comfortable playing breakouts as I am for right now, and it hasn't been a very good opportunity of a good breakout lately. So don't focus too much on the big gains. As you can see, my biggest gains have been from first green days, like big catalyst spikers, from the market environment pattern. That this is when you spot a pattern that works in your market environment, like low float stocks have worked 1.5 week. It has been a very simple pattern. You buy the morning spike, you sell as fast as the level 2 turns, and it starts goes red, because when it goes red it doesn't bounce, it's a falling knife, so you have to be real quick. Also got somewhat burned on this, I think. um, yeah, market environment, these two, I got burned, but I was quick, and I did a midday dip buy. So it's a mixed results in case of profits in percentage, but overall I'm really good, where I'm much better at solid breakout plays. So now I have tried out the long side for, I don't know, 1.5 months, as I said, and also the market environment is changing now. So I think it's a perfect opportunity to try out the short side. As I said, I'm still paper trading because I want to find a consistent niche. I'm also tracking patterns so that I get a statistical edge. Of course, I have been tracking breakout plays, so I'm a bit more confident with them now. So it might end up that I get better gains due to that, because now I know where I want to enter. So overall, I think I'm going to April trading with the two patterns that I'm gonna focus on. Is the two main patterns is breakout plays, and then I want to try out the short side. So I'm mainly gonna try to short overextended plays, maybe some gap ups, do some statistics of that, but I think it's time to move on and not get stuck in these um, these other patterns that I clearly isn't too good to buy. And also one thing that I want to talk about is um, the importance of trading less and only taking the most importance, most perfect place, or the most solid place. I can't find the words truly. So as you can see, um, these like successful trades, the green trades, has been with a time span that is bigger than all of these. As you can see, these trades is the losing streak, so to say, is simply just days after each other or within the same day. So that's also a conclusion that I do of this 1.5 months of trading. Um, Truly just wait for the best setups, and that's something that we get taught all of the time. But of course, you want to try your own wings, and you want to try if it truly is like that. And now I got a good result that it truly is that way. And if you have another result where you make very good profits when you trade many tickers on the same day, that's perfect. That's fantastic. That's good for you. But I don't have that psychology because as I lose on one trade, I tend to lose on the next two trades as well. And I start seeing opportunities that truly isn't there. It's like, oh, this might be bouncing or squeezing soon because it's so low. Let me try a midday bounce play. And I haven't even tracked these things. So basically, I'm just out on deep water, I think. So I better cut it before I drown. Uh, so simply just a catch-up video. I know I haven't been reviewing all of my trades just yet. I'm getting to it right now. But overall, I'm going to April with two main patterns. Of course, I'm going to try out different short patterns as well, but two main patterns, and that is the breakout play and the solid breakout plays on the long side, and then the overextended on the short side. Thank you very much. Hopefully, you can like take some learning opportunities from this, and maybe take some inspiration to look of the bigger picture, just as you do on stocks. Zoom out, look at the yearly chart, look at as with trading. I'm simply doing very specific reviews on my specific trades, but you also have to zoom out sometimes and look at the overall results. So thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, please leave a like and trade well. Have a nice one.